Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this session, we are going to talk about predicting product demand and how to deal with large data sets in the context of our company, Domesco. If you look at the screen here, we have a description of a data. Under historical product demand, there's a data set we are going to deal with shortly. It contains historical product demand for a manufacturing company with footprints globally. So here we have adapted our data to fit the situation of Domesco. So the company that we are talking about, it's a global company, a manufacturing one. The company provides thousands of products within dozens of product categories. There are 4 central warehouses to ship products within the region it is responsible for. Since the products are manufactured in different locations all over the world, it normally takes more than 1 month to ship products via ocean to different central warehouses. So now here's the situation given to us that there's a company which is involved in global manufacturing and distribution of its products. We're dealing in lots of varieties of product categories. It does have central warehouses. There are 4 in total, which are responsible for their region, for distribution and all. And the products are manufactured since they are in different locations all over the world, taking more than a month to ship, which means that it takes more than 1 month to fulfill the order. Therefore, we are looking for some production beforehand so that we can have sufficient inventory during that period of 1 month. If forecasts for each product in different central warehouses are done with reasonable accuracy for monthly requirements, month on month, then it would be beneficial to the company in multiple ways. This data is in a CSV file that you can also open in your Excel file, and we are going to demonstrate it in a bit. All right, so here we are. As you can see on the screen, the file named historical product demand is open. It's a very large data set. If you allow me to scroll down, you could see it goes way down up to 100,000 data instances. So let's talk about it a bit more before we move on to its analysis. The first left-hand column is the product code, where we have coded the product. Since we are dealing in lots of products, so each product has been assigned a different code. The second column is a warehouse, and we are dealing with 4 different warehouses spread globally. Then we have got product categories. So we've got lots of categories there as well. And how many? Like this, it's a very large data set. So we'll come to know in a while. And then here is the date when the order was received, rather when the order, not the shipment, but the order actually. So we could record the customer order receivable time. And then there is order, that is the demand order. The quantity has been mentioned here. All right, so now here we are. Now I'm going to tell you here a very smart trick to deal with these large, big, giant data sets, clunky or whatever you want to call it, but they are difficult to deal with if you are not fully prepared for the ways how you could utilize some tricks to deal with them. Then it would kind of put you off. So the first thing is you click anywhere here, make sure that it shouldn't be here, rather it should be anywhere in the data set. And then you go to this data, and click on filter. Now here you see, we call them pivot table. Pivot table are a summary table that tells you about the details of each column. Like here we are going to know about different types of codes. How many are there? We'll come to know in a while. Look here. Now we have got several product codes over here. So we can know in this data, we have around 2,172 product codes. Likewise here, warehouse, we know there are 4 different warehouses, A, C, J, and S. And we can easily find out the inventory position in each of those warehouses through these pivot tables. And then product categories. So now we have here 33 different product categories with over 2,000 or some product codes. And then we have here date here and the demand order over here. All right. So this is right now where we are. And let me just undo something. Just unintentionally something clicked. Anyways, all right. So here now we want to know, let's suppose we want to talk about our warehouse. Let's see here. We want to see in our warehouse. It takes a bit time because it's a very big data. For large size data, it takes a lot of time. Warehouse A. Let's talk about it. And we want to know the current inventory position. Now you see here, this data is all about the current inventory position in warehouse A. Now we want to find out, let's suppose for a particular specific product category, we want to find out how much amount is there at warehouse A. So we want to uncheck everyone by unchecking select all. From there, we want to go for our specific item that we're looking for. For example, let's say we are interested in knowing how much units do we have in under category 015 at warehouse A. Now it will tell you you have under category 015, you've got lots of products over here. If you could see 99, wow, it's 995,670 products. Well, under category A, to be more specific, we want to look for a particular item that has been assigned a particular code. Let's say we are interested in product 0294, having that particular code in under the category 015 at warehouse A. So now you see over here, you have got all the products having this specific code listed on our screen. And against that, we also have the demand order against that particular item. Now let's suppose here we are interested in knowing about a demand size of 10 items belonging to product 0294 under category 015. So now we have got these orders. If you total them up, so you could come to know their aggregate demand order or the demand size for product 0294 under category 015 in warehouse A. Likewise, we can look for other warehouses and find out their position inventory level wise. Like for example, here we have another option of warehouse J, because this same product category and the product code is also at warehouse J. So we can also look for this product in terms of its demand order size over there in almost the pretty much the same. Here if you look, because we have identified here that we are looking for a demand order size of 10 units. So if you are interested in any other amount, we can click on this drop down menu and look for an order size, let's say less than 10, that is 5 at warehouse J. So here we've got, now you can see over here, you've got 5, 5, 5, 5 at warehouse J. Now, if you want to return, you want to go back to the main data. So you click on data and click on filter again, and you will be back to the main page, the main master data page. And with that, we conclude our session. Thank you very much.